Today we had our General Council meeting, and in the meeting we have adopted some important resolutions. Number one is to follow up with the state government to initiate necessary steps to make Khasi an official language of the state government. Since the inception of the state of Meghalaya, English was and has been the state official language. It was only in the year 2005 through the Meghalaya State Language Act that Khasi and Garo were made as associate official languages. Now, our demand is to upgrade the status of Khasi language from being the associate official language to a full-fledged official language besides English. Another important resolution is that the society has decided to follow up with the central government to initiate necessary steps with regard to our demand to include Khasi in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. We had organized one national seminar in 2023 in the national capital, and since that time we have not received any positive response from the Ministry of Home Affairs, although earlier there was an official communication that the matter is being examined by the Home Ministry, but after that no positive information has been communicated to us. So the meeting today decided that we will organize another national seminar in the national capital sometime in the year 2026. And we have been in touch with our people in Delhi who will prepare and plan for the program, and it will be, I hope, a very important program which the organization will have to organize sometime next year. We have also decided that if necessary, the society will have to organize massive rallies and processions in Shillong, and to make our demand heard by not only the state government but also the central government. So these are some of the decisions that we have taken in today's meeting.
Can you tell us where is it now stuck, the 8th schedule issue?
As I have already said, we have submitted our memorandum to the Home Minister in the year 2023, and we have also been following up with the state government, and the state government seems that some maybe follow-up action has been taken up, but then no clear information has been received by the organization, by the society till date. That's why we have decided to follow up more rigorously with the state government as well as with the central government.
Do you think that the holding seminar will be too late next year? Why not this year?
It's not easy, to organize a national seminar in the national capital. Northeast India is very far from the national capital, and we have to also involve with other organizations. And we are now trying to collaborate or program with other organizations which are demanding for inclusion of their languages as well in the HEDU. It will take time. There is need for coordination and preparation for that very important program.
You said about the protest in Shillong. Why not in Delhi?
That we will do perhaps if necessary, but we will start maybe if necessary some rallies and processions in the state capital first.